If you've ever plugged in a cheap OBD2 reader and all it gave you was a code like P0420, you already know the problem. A code alone doesn't fix anything. What actually helps is context, live data, active tests, and sometimes ECU coding to finish the repair the right way. That's exactly what this video is about. I'm breaking down 7 of the best OBD2 scanners that go beyond basic code reading, including tools that support ECU coding, bidirectional active tests, and advanced service functions. I'm not here to sell hype. I'm here to help you choose the right tool for your garage, your workload, and your budget without paying for features you'll never use. What ECU coding really means. Before we jump in, quick clarification. ECU coding doesn't mean the same thing on every car. On some vehicles, it's feature activation and personalization, things like mirror folding, DRL behavior, or comfort settings. On others, it's module matching, relearns, and configuration after replacing parts. And then there's online coding, which is more limited and brand-specific. So in this list, I'm focusing on what actually matters in real-world use. Vehicle coverage and modern protocols like CAN-FD and DoIP, bidirectional active test to command components. Practical service functions like oil reset, EPB, ABS bleed, SAS, speed, battery life, and workflow features like reports and pre/post scans. Alright, let's get into the list. Number 7. Autel MaxiSys MS900 Pro. If you want a scanner that clearly sits in the serious tool category without jumping to ultra-expensive flagship models, this one stands out. The MS900 Pro level tools are built around deep diagnostics, not just code reading. You get advanced ECU functions like module matching, relearns, parameter setup, and coding after replacement. That's the difference between finding a fault and actually finishing the job correctly. Another strong point is the large, bidirectional test library. With thousands of active tests, you can command components directly. Fans, solenoids, relays, windows, locks, depending on the vehicle. That removes a lot of guesswork. I also like the workflow features here. Fast auto VIN detection, full system scanning, and pre- and post-scan reporting make it practical if you're working on multiple vehicles or want clean documentation. It also supports DoIP and CAN-FD, which matters if you're working on newer vehicles. And hardware-wise, the fast processor and large battery help keep things smooth during longer diagnostic sessions. Watch-outs: compatibility varies by vehicle, online coding is manufacturer limited, and this model is English only. Best for serious DIY ears, home garages, and small shops that want advanced diagnostics without flagship pricing. Number 6. Thinkcar C689 BT. If you want strong features without yearly subscription fees, the Thinkcar C689 BT is one of the best value tools available. This scanner offers full bidirectional control, letting you command windows, mirrors, injectors, evap systems, pumps, and valves, depending on vehicle support. That's essential for confirming whether a component actually works. It also includes ECU coding and personalization, allowing feature changes and adaptive resets on supported models. At this price level, that's impressive. With 34+ service functions, it covers most day-to-day maintenance jobs: oil reset, EPB, BMS, SAS calibration, ABS bleeding, injector coding, and more. For many users, this handles nearly all routine work. Support for CAN-FD and DoIP keeps it relevant for newer vehicles, and the biggest advantage is no ongoing subscription for updates, which can save a lot of money long-term. Watch-outs: FCA AutoAuth still requires a separate account, and features vary by vehicle. Best for DIYers, mobile mechanics, and small shops who want power and value without subscription costs. Number 5. Autel MP900BT. If you like Autel's ecosystem but don't need a full MaxiSys tablet, the MP900BT hits a very smart middle ground. It supports ECU coding, hidden feature activation, relearns, and component matching across many brands. It even allows offline coding for some vehicles, which is useful when internet access isn't ideal. You also get 3,000+ bidirectional active tests, allowing direct control over actuators like mirrors, windows, injectors, throttle, ABS systems, and more. A standout feature is VAG guided functions for VW, Audi, Skoda, and Seat vehicles. These step-by-step guides reduce mistakes and save time on complex service tasks. Auto VIN detection, pre/post-scan reporting, and Wi-Fi printing make this tool very workflow-friendly, and performance is smooth enough for full system scans. Watchouts: some functions are vehicle-specific, and FCA AutoAuth still applies. Best for advanced DIY cars and professionals who want Autel-level diagnostics without flagship cost. Number 4. Topdon ArtiDiag Pro. The ArtiDiag Pro sits right between advanced DIY and professional use, focusing on efficiency rather than marketing hype. It supports practical ECU coding for popular European brands like VW, Audi, Skoda, Seat, and Benz, mainly for feature activation, configuration changes, and component coding after replacement. Bidirectional control is strong here, letting you command actuators for fast fault isolation without tearing things apart. With 35+ service functions, it handles most maintenance and calibration tasks: oil reset, EPB, SAS, ABS bleeding, throttle adaptation, battery reset, and suspension calibration. It also supports FCA AutoAuth for newer Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Fiat vehicles. The hardware is simple but responsive, with a clean UI that avoids unnecessary clutter. Watchouts: a subscription applies after the initial period, and coding depth depends on the vehicle. Best for home technicians and small garages that want focused, reliable diagnostics without complexity. Number 3. Launch X431CRP919E. This is where we move firmly into professional-level diagnostics. The CRP919E supports online ECU coding for select brands like VW, Audi, Skoda, Ford, Lincoln, and Mazda, along with component matching and adaptive resets. For Ford, Lincoln, and Mazda users, PMI support is a major advantage. With 4,000+ bidirectional active tests, you can command nearly every major system: ABS, injectors, HVAC, relays, lighting, making diagnostics faster and more precise. It includes 35+ service functions, full system diagnostics, and rich live data with multi-graph views that make it easier to spot abnormal behavior. Support for CAN-FD, DoIP, FCA, AutoAuth, and over 160 global brands keeps it ready for modern vehicles. Watchouts: it's more complex than entry-level tools and best suited for users who will actually use its depth. Best for professional technicians and serious DIYers who want near-dealer capability without dealer pricing. Number 2. ThinkDiag 2. If portability and price to performance matter, ThinkDiag 2 is one of the most flexible tools on this list. It's a Bluetooth scanner that uses your phone or tablet, yet still supports bidirectional active tests, which is rare at this price point. It handles full system diagnostics and supports CAN-FD, making it surprisingly capable on newer vehicles, especially newer GM models. With 15+ maintenance functions, it covers common tasks like oil reset, EPB, SAS calibration, ABS bleeding, injector coding, throttle relearn, and battery reset. FCA AutoAuth is supported, and because it's app-based, updates and report sharing are easy. Watchouts: requires a subscription after the first year, and an internet connection is recommended. Best for budget-conscious DIYers and mobile mechanics who want real diagnostic power in a compact setup. Number 1. Xtool D8S. The Xtool D8S takes the top spot because it delivers the best overall balance of power, depth, and long-term value. The standout feature here is topology mapping, which visually shows how vehicle modules communicate. When a module goes offline, you see it immediately, saving huge amounts of diagnostic time on modern vehicles. It supports advanced ECU coding and hidden feature activation, plus PMI for Ford, Lincoln, and Mazda, allowing proper module replacement and configuration. With 4,000+ bidirectional active tests and 42+ service and relearn functions, this tool is built to finish repairs, not just identify faults. Hardware performance is strong, updates are generous, and even after updates expire, installed software continues to work. Watchouts: Some features are vehicle specific, and it's not beginner level, but it's very learnable. Best for anyone who wants one scanner that can grow from advanced DIY use into professional diagnostics. There's no single best OBD2 scanner for everyone, but there is a best scanner for how you work. Want maximum value without subscriptions? Thinkcar C689 BT. Want Autel Diagnostics without flagship pricing? MP900BT. Want near dealer depth? Launch CRP919E. Want the best all-around tool? Xtool D8S. Whatever you choose, always check vehicle compatibility by VIN before buying. That step alone can save you a lot of frustration. If this breakdown helped you, hit the like button. For more honest, research-based tool reviews, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.